TVJ Sports can confirm that Jamaican Winter Olympian Jasmine Fenleta-Victorian is the bobsled athlete who returned the positive test for the banned substance clenbuterol following the testing of her B sample in recent days. Keon Rayner reports.
This is the special Primetime Sports Investigative Report. Now here's your reporter.
American-based Jasmine Fenleta-Victorian, who served as the driver on Jamaica's historic two-woman bobsleigh team to the Winter Games in Pyeongchang, South Korea last month, is now awaiting her hearing before the International Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation. According to impeccable TVJ sources, Fenleta-Victorian's B sample, which was tested in the week of March 16, confirmed the initial adverse finding to her A sample, which was returned on January 13 from an in-competition test done in Switzerland ahead of the Winter Games. The A and B samples are understood to have been tested at a water-accredited lab in Germany. When contacted on Monday, Fenleta-Victorian's attorney, Mike Morgan, who is based in Britain, declined to comment on the case, only indicating that a date is yet to be set for the hearing. On March 5, the International Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation had indicated that all documents relating to the case would be turned over to their positive case committee for the next steps after the B sample was tested. Meanwhile, chairman of the Sports Development Foundation, George Suter, confirmed on Monday that the government agency contributed £10,000 or approximately 1.8 million Jamaican dollars to Fenleta-Victorian's legal fees.
Well, the Sports Development Foundation was approached in the matter and considered it important and decided to offer their assistance. And I'm able to say that a sum of money that was requested was in fact approved and was dispatched to the attorney about a week ago.
And I gather they requested in the region of £20,000. What was the actual figure granted?
Well, I know that £10,000 was dispatched.
Fenleta-Victorian, whose father is Jamaican, is now facing the possibility of a 4-year ban under the rules of the World Anti-Doping Agency. She previously represented the United States in bobsleigh at the 2014 Winter Games in Sochi, Russia. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.
That was a special Primetime Sports Investigative Report.